Hello children, this is the fifth video of flowchart, and once again I am going to explain here as a with the help of decision box. The question is enter an age of a person and enter an age of a person and display whether the person is eligible for vote or not. So children, what is the perfect age for giving vote to cast your vote is equal to 18 years or more than 18 years. So here we are going to check that the user will enter we will enter the age and we will check that the age is suitable for casting the vote or not. So once again I am going to start with the start terminal. Every time our flowchart will start with the start terminal and end up to the stop terminal. So start. The next one is your input box. Here what is that? Enter your age. I have just made the changes here. Here you can directly write also input age. Enter your age is also there, or you directly write input age. Okay, so you can write in any way. Now the next control will go to the decision box. If age is greater than equal to 18, if age is greater than and equal to 18, you know if the person is eligible for vote, that means the age of that person is either equal to 18 years or more than 18 years. So if age more than equal to 18, if age greater than equal to 18, then in the yes part it will display eligible for vote. In the no part it will display not eligible for vote, and from both the sides flow line will come to the stop. Either it is true or it is false. Either the condition is yes or no. Both the sides flow lines will come to the stop button. Now the next one is next program is enter a number. Children, I want to tell you one thing. Just see, here I have written enter your age. You can write like that also. Okay, and here you can write like this also, input number. So the question is enter a number and check in display whether the number is even number or odd number. So once again I am starting with the start terminal. Here you are in input number. In this input box, input number. Then next the control will go to the decision box. Here we are comparing. Here we are checking. In this decision box we are checking a number mod 2 equals to 0. Means what? Number mod 2 means what? Number mod 2 means it will give you remainder. Number percentage sign 2, in the computer language this percentage sign we can call it mod. So number mod 2, it will give you remainder, and if the number is going to divide by 2 and there is no remainder, means the remainder is 0, that means the number is even. But if there is any another number than 0 as a remainder, then it will be odd number. So we are checking here if number mod 2 equal to 0. In this yes part, if it is true, that means number is going to divide by 2 and remainder will be 0. If it is true, if it is yes, the control will come here and it will display even number. But if number mod 2, if means number is going to divide by 2 but the remainder is not 0, more than 0, 1, 2, 3 like this, if this is the condition, it will go to the no part and it will display odd number, and from both the sides the control will come to the AND terminal. So once again I am repeating, we have input the number. In decision box we are checking if number mod 2 equals to 0. Now equals to is the operator for the comparison. So we are comparing remainder is equal to 0 or not, and from both the side, if yes, it is a display, it is even number. If no, means if it is false, so you will display odd number, and from both the side it will come to the AND terminator. I hope I am clear to you. Thank you children. Here's the end of flowchart chapter.